about the track of this storm. Kendra, this is a monster storm.
It really is. I mean, it's just incredible in a bad way to look at right now. It is so organized and so large. It takes up about half of the Gulf of Mexico currently, and it's become so organized that it's beginning to strengthen even more. In the last update, we have not seen it increase in wind speed, but we are expecting potentially to see it get up to 125 miles an hour. If it gets up to 130, that would make it a Cat 4 storm. You can see that eye. It's just about perfectly circular. You got some rain trying to fill in there, but very, very organized. Got a lot of convection around the center. Convection basically meaning thunderstorm activity. Winds at 120 miles an hour, moving north at 12. I do expect it to be up to probably 125 miles per hour later tonight, and it's going to move in on the Florida Panhandle. And words like catastrophic being used to describe what it's likely going to do to the Florida Panhandle, with potentially a storm surge that reaches 12 feet for some areas around Panama City, Apalachicola. Then it moves through Georgia as a tropical storm. This is when we'll start to feel the impacts late Wednesday night as it starts to pull in moisture across the Carolinas. Already seeing an onshore flow bringing a few showers, but that's really going to intensify as that tropical storm moves by. Here we go at 50-mile-per-hour winds as it moves basically right over Columbia. Computer models in pretty good agreement on this. We'll be on the better end of the storm, but still we'll get some gusty winds and that rain that could end up causing some isolated flooding in our area. It's all about a front helping to push the storm, and the front is going to be catching up to this storm pretty quickly and pushing it out to sea by Friday. So that's the good news. That's what's going to help to get this thing moving and to limit its flooding potential. But on Wednesday, we're going to see scattered heavy rain. Moisture will be on the increase, 1 to 2 inches possible, and a minimal wind threat, about 20 to 25 mile per hour gusts. Gusts could get up to 40 miles per hour, though, during the day on Thursday, and our flood risk will increase because we've already seen some rain, and then it gets heavier. Luckily, nothing heavy tonight. We're just seeing scattered light rain showers out there on radar. We'll see temps only get down to around 70, isolated showers, so things remaining fairly calm tonight and even into early tomorrow. 67 for you in western North Carolina. I want to show you Futurecast. We'll start off with scattered showers in the morning. Pockets of heavy rain will be possible as we go into the afternoon hours. But notice it's not everywhere. It's kind of off and on. Again, this is not the brunt of the storm. Want to show you Thursday morning, though. This is when the swath of heavy rain will start to move in. Heaviest is going to likely fall south of I-85. We're also going to have some bands of heavy rain moving into the mountains as well. So definitely could be dicey for that morning commute on through parts of the afternoon on Thursday as that wind begins to pick up. Now, of course, you'll want to head to the morning news from 4:30 to 9, as well as download the Fox Carolina News app. This is going to be so important to have over the next few days as we are tracking every move of Michael. And actually, the morning news is starting at 4 tomorrow, 4 to 10, as they're going to be tracking the storm as it makes a close approach on landfall at that point. But most likely will make landfall sometime in the early afternoon tomorrow, and then we'll start to get those effects coming up from the south by late on Wednesday, guys.
Yeah.